Still not finished when I'm far. It's 12:11. And I have to still rip up the subfloor. If you notice, I still gotta take these tile off. Remove each tile into a stack. So I know that this was the first piece, this was the second piece, third piece, fourth. I know that's on the first line of defense, so I'll stack these here. So I know that's the first line. These are my border pieces. I cut those yesterday. They're flawless. I can probably go ahead and put those up, but I'm not until I rip the floor up. So I'm gonna hit you guys back as I rip the floor. Now the floor has been ripped up. Now I can actually start laying my tile. What I'm gonna do, start laying the borders first. Cuts are made except for the toilet cut. So I just put most of it down. I have some grouting day. First thing I have to do is come out here. Out. Working my way back here now.